crafters. Welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is December 22nd, which is happy birthday to me, guys. So how awesome is that? I survived and made it a complete another year. And I tell you what, I still feel like I'm about 28, but reality hits some mornings when I'm trying to get out of bed or crawling to the bed at 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. Of course, it doesn't help that I do start around 4 a.m. But with that said, thanks for being here. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. I got several emails in that, and I appreciate that. But we are on day 22 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025. So let's jump in and see what this special day has brought us. All right. Interesting. It is another story book. It is, of course, we got Jenny's Box Flat Chuck, right? So you got to love Chuck. Says Chuck is ready to get lost in Hilary Doan Sperry's brand new book. How about you? The special Flat Chuck is here to be your reading buddy and can even double as just a cute bookmark. Tuck him in between the pages. So again, another book, storybook from Missouri Star Quilt. Hilary wrote this. It's a handmade mysteries. And it says, in this cozy mystery anthology, quilting expert Jenny Doan stitches together past and present, unraveling tangled truths hidden in their heirloom fabrics. It also includes 2 original quilt block patterns to sew alongside with your story. So definitely may enjoy the quilt block patterns that are incorporated in here. Not so much maybe the story itself. I'm not a big reader, and I'll be honest, I've gotten really spoiled lately because my partner turned me on to Audible, right, through Amazon. And so now, because I've got about a 50-minute drive to work the days I have to go to the office, I've gotten really hooked on Audible. I've listened to all the Harry Potter books once. They just came out with a dramatized version, and so now I'm listening to those. So doing less and less reading. It's interesting. I used to be a pretty good reader. So we'll see if I end up doing reading this at all, or if I end up gifting this somewhere. But again, right, they're trying to do 25 days worth of gifts in that and appeal to folks across the gambit. So I appreciate it. Probably not one of those that I'm going to go wow about. But again, it's not a bad gift, right? It's just not one that today necessarily resonates with me. So guys, thanks for joining me for just a few minutes. Happy birthday to me. Hope you all are having an amazing day, because I know I'm going to. It is a Scooby-Doo Christmas, right? And as always, until next time, happy crafting.